Hi everybody! Today I'm gonna show you how to build this fiberglass laminated plate. We're going to use this aluminum plate as a mold. With this aluminum plate we can build two projects, one here and one here. First step, apply high tack sealant tape on the mold contour. Now, using flash breaker tape, install the solid parting film on the mold surface. The solid parting film has to be very tight. Cut the required fiberglass fabrics. We will need two like this for our project, one mat like this, and two satin weaves like this for our project. Note that this one will be cut at 45 angle. You need to cut them slightly larger of what you need, about 2 inches bigger. Oh, it has to be placed at 45 angle, just like this. Using a precision scale, determine the weight of all your fibers. Now that I have prepared all my fibers, put the content on the scale, click tear to obtain the 0. Now it is on 0. I have 109 grams, so I will have to prepare 109 grams of glue, of resin. Using bagging films, fold up your fabric. And mark the orientation of the fiber. So this one has to be at 45 angle, like this. Never write directly on the fiber. So there is no fiber orientation for mat. After, using an aluminum plate, trace your fabric. So now I need to mix my glue. For this step, it is really important to wear some gloves. I need to have 109 grams of glue because I have 109 grams of fiberglass fabric. So I put my content here, click there, so it is 0. I need 87.9 grams of resin. That's it, 87.9 grams of resin. It is really important to be very precise. So I had my hardener to my resin, so I need to arrive at 109 grams right now. .109 gram exactly. Okay. Then using a wood stick, I need to mix my glue. You have to mix it very well for about 5 minutes. Unfold the bagging film. And put the glue mix on the fiber. It is important that the glue is really uniform. Then fold back the bagging film and using a plastic scraper place the glue very uniformly on all the surfaces. This is what we call wet layout. Okay, now that the glue mix has been applied very uniformly on all the surfaces, using scissors, I need to cut the excess. Put immediately all the waste in the garbage can so it is clean. Okay, so now I have all my parts. According to figure 1, I will install first of all satin width, then plain width, mats, plain width again with 45 angles, and to finish the satin width. Now assemble the laminated plate. Note that one student is installed right here and another student will be installed here. Using a knife, remove the bagging film of the fabric. Put the bagging film aside, and at the end you can count them to be sure you have not forgot one. Remove the air trapped in the bagging film using a plastic scraper. Now the plane width with 45 angles. So the same way I will install the mat, the other plain width, and the other satin width. Now I can count the removed bagging film. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this way I am sure that I haven't forgot a bagging film in my assembly. Next step is the vacuum bagging procedure. The use of performing a vacuum bagging procedure is to apply pressure on your assemble. When you do a vacuum bagging, you will apply the atmospheric pressure directly on your assemble by removing all the air in the bag. First step is perforated parting plate. Then the bleeder cloth, the solid parting film, and finally you put the two pressure plates directly over your assembly. You have to secure your assemble with flash breaker tape. Now that everything is set, we have to install the sniffer base. We have to install the sniffer base directly over the breeder cloth. So I'll cut right here. It has to be just beside your assemble. Secure the sniffer base with flash breaker tape. Now remove the paper over the sealant, high-tack sealant. First of all, remove just one side. It will be easier to install. Install the bagging film over. Using a knife, perforate the sniffer base at the center so you can install the sniffer top. Now perform a leak test to ensure it is well sealed. So, removing all the air inside the bagging is applying the atmospheric pressure on my pressure plate. So now, let's put my assemble in the oven. Final step, reconnect the vacuum and put your assemble in the oven. Thank you.